In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate contactless payments on your Axis debit card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to manage tap and pay or contactless payments on your Axis debit card, you have to use their mobile app. So open the Axis Bank app and inside go over to View More. So scroll down and find Quick Links. Once you see quick links, tap on View More as you see here. So once you choose View More, you will see a lot of more options, and then once again, tap on Other Services. So under Services, select Other Services. Finally, you will be redirected to this page where you can see Debit Card Manage Usage. So this is where you will be able to enable or disable contactless payments alongside setting limits and managing other options. So choose Debit Card Manage Usage. Now you will see a list of all of your cards. You can go up or down to switch between them, and once you find a specific one that you would like to manage, just tap on its picture. By tapping on a specific card on this list, you will see all of the domestic and international services that you can manage. And the second one is going to be contactless limit. So if you would like to enable contactless payments, just make sure that this option is enabled so you can toggle it on or off. After it is done, use this slider to set the amount. So you will be able to drag it all the way from 0 to the max. And you can also type out the specific value here. But as long as this option is enabled, tap to pay will be enabled. So now you can tap your card and the payment will be issued without any issues. This works for any standard card reader as long as this option has been enabled. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate contactless Axis debit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.